Hello friends, today I'm starting my class on the subject of language and literature. I'm talking about this topic because everyone's studying these things in school and colleges, but they are not implementing it on their real life. So previously I start to talk about pronunciation, language and grammar. Initially, we are studying grammar from class 1st to 12th, but when we are going to implement our grammar in our daily life, day to day life, I think we are feeling so much scared and definitely shy and think about what we are speaking and how can we speak. Okay, there is two things very important when we are talking in English, that is a pronunciation, fluency and the knowledge of grammar. So I'm starting my classes on grammar specially because we are knowing grammar, vyakaran and any other initial thing, then we are very comfortable to talk in English. So in my first class I'm talking about grammar. It's a noun. What is a noun? Everyone know it. Either it's a kid or 7 to 8 year old, or either it's a adult. But when we are implementing noun, we definitely know that what is a noun. In definition, if we are talking, noun is the name of person, place, animals and things. Right? Exactly. I'm not going too fast. I'm starting it initially and definitely very slow. That person, place, animal, things. Person, place, animals and things. Right. I'm talking about pronunciation. Every day I'm taking a single word to use in our conversation. It's my heartiest request. Please use these words in your day-to-day life, day-to-day routine. Before I'm starting noun, I'm talking about our day-to-day routine. That's when we are starting our day from morning, either at 6 o'clock or 7 o'clock. We are asking for our first word is good morning. If we are kids, if we have a parent, if we have a guardian, then we are asking, mom, where is my brush? I want to brush. I don't get my brush. Otherwise, we are talking about I want to take a bath, but where is my towel? Somebody pronounces towel, somebody pronounces towel, and somebody towel. Pronunciations are different, but we want to our conversation, our speech very fluent and attractive. Then we have to definitely concentrate on pronunciation. Okay, so if we are asking for our breakfast or lunch, but we are studying each and everything but never utilize these words in our day-to-day routine. So it's my request to kids and everyone who want to take an interest in speaking in English, they want to know grammar, they are have a knowledge of grammar but they are not implementing in day-to-day life. Please, today, from exactly right now, you have to try to utilize these words in life. My first word is adorable. Adorable. Why we using adorable? Why we using beautiful? It's a simple word. Please note down it. Adorable, beautiful. After next class, I am asking you a conversation or utilizing these words in your day-to-day life. If any kids are hearing or listening my video, please listen it very carefully. I'm just giving you a small introduction. If you are going anywhere, any interview, any class, any new school admissions, every person asks to you, who are you? Why are you here? Give your introduction. Then what we are saying, we are looking here and there. How can I speak? Definitely, previously we start the single line, hello, I am ABC, whatever our name. Then we think about next line. Definitely we tell about my father name is such. After that we are totally blank. what to speak. But if you have a creative mind, I think everybody have a creative mind, everybody have a knowledge, everybody have a IQ level, but at that time we hesitate, we feel ashamed, we think that other person think me, if I was wrong at that time, then they make my fun. Okay, so when we are giving our introduction, hello, I am Disha Singh, my father name is Jason Singh, I am doing my work in MLC companies, I lived in Mumbai, and right now my aim is, my target is, my dream is to be a social worker, to be educationist and serve to our society. If this fluency is in you, yes or no? Fluency is important, but I'm mistaken so many places in grammatically. Could you find it? Are you able to find such mistakes? Then you think about it that you have a proper grammatical knowledge. So, what is a grammar? Right? Now, I am talking about introduction, so I come to that point. Introduction. I'm talking about noun. Okay, everybody give me your introduction in small videos, and I watch it, and if there any possibility to correct you, I definitely correct you individually, personally. I call you and told you that what you are mistaken, where you are mistaken, and how can you pronunciate it. So I am talking about the video, not in handwritten. If you are speaking like that, how what is your accent, how can you speak, what is your body gestures, and each and everything. Then after I will told you, and I make sure you, if you are watching my class after 6 months, you all people are able to think, to write, and definitely your gestures and your personality is grooming day by day. So I'm talking about noun. What is a noun? How many types of noun, and how can we implement noun in our day-to-day life? Suppose I want to call someone, I don't know who is he. How can I call him? Him, her, or they, whatever. And we are talking about grammar. Initially we start to learn ABCD. After that we are studying two words, two letters words. Then after we are studying three letter words. After that we are studying that if anything is near in front of us, how do I speak that this is a table, this is a chair, this is a whatever. And we are when the thing is far away from me, then what I said, these are, that, what. How can I call any person who is far away? These all questions are arise when we are talking in English. I'm not only take a grammar, I'm also talk about Hindi Vyakaran. I also talk about Sanskrit language, because language is important. So my topic is language and literature. Okay, language in English, in Hindi, in Sanskrit. I really want that you people take a command on each language, because language is important. If you are going here and there and we don't know the language, either local language, either official language, then we feel very much trouble. We face trouble at that place to conversation between other people. So literally I started my class on the topic of grammar, and definitely I show you how to implement that such a topic in your life from small conversation and small video. Just like if what I'm saying, I'm talking about, I want to call someone, I know who is he. If I know who is, I'm asking Sanskar, come here. I'm asking Janvi, come here. Janvi, where are you? What are you doing? But I don't know the person. How can I ask him, or how can I make my conversation for that person who is far away from me, and I don't know what is his actual name? Okay, so you think about it and be prepared. I am taking my such other 10 minutes for this topic, noun, in Hindi Sangya, and in Sanskrit Asami. Thank you and Jai Hind.